If you want to add code in Framer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can add custom code to your Framer project, publish it correctly, and then verify that it's working on your live site. This is really useful if you want to add scripts, embed functionality, tracking code, or any custom behavior without getting stuck in the settings. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Framer and web design tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your project in Framer. Once your project is loaded, look toward the top right corner and click on Settings. This is where Framer keeps all the project level options, including code settings. After that, look at the menu on the left side and click on Custom Code. This is the area where you can add scripts that will run on your site. Once you're inside the custom code section, click Add Script. Framer will create a new script entry for you, and this is where you'll begin setting everything up. Now enter a name for the script. It's a good idea to choose something clear and easy to remember, especially if you plan to add more than one script later. For example, you might name it something like Analytics Code, Header Script, or Custom Widget Code. A simple name will help you stay organized. Next, select the pages where the code should be applied. This part is important because you may not want every script to run on every page. Framer lets you control where the code appears, so take a moment to choose the right pages for your project. If it's a site-wide script, apply it where needed across the whole site. If it's specific to one page, narrow it down. Once the page selection is done, paste your code into the code section. Make sure you paste the full code correctly and avoid deleting any important characters, brackets, or quotation marks. Even a small mistake can cause the script not to work properly, so it's always worth double-checking before moving on. When everything looks good, click Add. This saves the script into your Framer project. After that, go back to your page. At this point, you might not see any visible changes yet, and that's completely normal. In Framer, custom code usually becomes visible only after you publish the site, so the next step is to click Publish. This pushes your changes live so the code can actually run on the published version of your website. If you skip this step, you may think the code isn't working when in reality, it just hasn't been published yet. After publishing, open your live site in a new tab or refresh the published page. Then check whether your code is working as expected. If it doesn't show up immediately, don't worry. Sometimes it can take a few minutes for the changes to fully appear, so wait a little and refresh again. That's the full process for adding code in Framer. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward once you know where to go. Just open your project, go to Settings, open Custom Code, add your script, publish, and then test it on the live site. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.